So, remember the paint that I bought yesterday and the blank background? It's no longer blank. My partner and I actually sketched it first, and then because I chose the design on Google. After I chose it, I showed it to him, so he helped me out with the sketching. And after sketching, I did the outline. So this is the outline. Please watch out for my next video, which is going to be the coloring of this paw print. So this will serve as my, let's say, temporary, but not, this will be my permanent background for all my vlogs. Thank you so much. And yeah, I do look tired right now because I have been painting this for a few hours. I actually went live in Facebook, so however I could not post that video yet since it was a time-lapse video in GoPro and I need to have it edited first. So again, please watch out for the next video, and this will be the process of coloring the outline that I created today. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, as well as leave comments if you have suggestions for me. Thank you so much, and do have a great night.